It's the start of week 3 of the C3 71 vet project. So I'm working on my top end engine rebuild. Got the heads and intake off. Obviously I cleaned up all the cylinder tops. Got the engine painted, water pump painted, oil pan painted, which you can't see. Got the heads done, painted, and valve job. I think I'm going to put them on tonight because it's nice and cool out here. Great time to work, and we might have some rain coming towards the middle of the week, or at least some precipitation. So this was just a bear of a job. There was so much gunk in here. All this was just caked on oil. This was all covered. The transmission was completely black with a layer of just dirt and oil mixture. I'm sure you all know what that's like. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, get the mating surfaces ready, and get the heads on this thing.